There are now 335 confirmed cases of coronavirus statewide. That's a 14% increase from yesterday. And again, that kind of jump is expected as testing increases. Nearly a third of California's cases, 114, are in Santa Clara County, and that is an increase of 23 since yesterday. San Francisco reported 9 new cases today for a total of 37, and the North Bay is starting to report community spread. There are now 6 cases in Solano County, 5 in Marin, and 3 in Sonoma County. And that is where we find KPIX5's John Ramos.
Sonoma County doesn't have any large population centers, so it stayed relatively free of COVID-19. But county officials knew it was just a matter of time. The county was only aware of 3 cases of coronavirus, and each was a patient with a known source. But 3 days ago, the county health officer ordered an increased detection effort at all of its facilities, and it didn't take long for the truth to emerge.
From this heightened surveillance project, we have now identified, as of yesterday, March 14th, an additional case of COVID-19 that appears to be from community transmission. This person has no contact to anyone else and also had no history of travel to an area where there were a lot of cases.
Community transmission simply means they don't know where it came from, which also means COVID-19 is now officially out in the general population. The infected employee worked here at the county's Rohnert Park Health Center.
The employee has been asked to self-quarantine, and we have identified all the staff members and patients that may have come in contact with this individual.
Health officials say they are contacting everyone involved and are asking them to self-quarantine. Those with coronavirus symptoms should contact their primary physician to see if they should be tested. The county's public health lab and commercial labs such as Quest and LabCorp are now qualified to test for the virus. Meanwhile, the community is being asked to step up good hygiene practices and social distancing and is restricting visitation at long-term care facilities. The county has ordered the cancellation of events of over 250 individuals and gatherings of more than 10 persons among high-risk people.
We've been through disasters and emergencies before, and you've been with us every step of the way.
Board of Supervisors Chair Susan Gorin is calling for calm and to resist the urge to hoard items such as toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and water.
We know that this is scary and disruptive. We haven't been through this kind of disaster before, but we can do that because we are Sonoma Strong.
The county has set up an informational hub for the public at socoemergency.org. In Rohnert Park, John Ramos, KPIX5.
And you can find a link to that site on our website, kpix.com.